Can you play your cymbals for me? Can you play them for me? You've been doing such a good job. Yeah! Awesome work. Yay! Yay! You want to share them with the kitty? Share them with Roxy. Oh, girls got rhythm. Girls got rhythm. Yay! 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 All right. Can I see you? Let me see you do it. Should we put some music on? Are you super cute? Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes. Why won't you let me see your face? What are you doing? What was that? That was a cool noise. Yeah. Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Yes! Yay! Hallelujah! 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 Very good. The Grammy taught me that.